everybody, this is Julie from Nobody's Beauty Guru, and welcome to my makeup collection series. This will be the intro for a number of videos where I go through and catalog exactly what I own in each one of my makeup categories. In the past, I have an entire playlist of my makeup collection and my numbers, but I've never shown you exactly what products I have in each category. Today, I'm going to go through and I'm going to catalog all of that for you and do a giant rundown. This will be split up into multiple videos, so this will be my intro for all of them. But in this series, you will get to see all of the items that I have within a certain category. Whatever is on the title of this specific video is what you're going to be seeing today. So let's jump right in, and I'm going to show you what I have kept in my collection after all of my declutters. Alright, so we're going to start up here, and I have all of my full-size primers. So these are all of the full-size face primers that I currently have in my collection right now. And I do have a whole bunch of samples that I will also be adding into the collection for the first time ever. So what I have here is the NYX Angel Veil. I love this. This is said to be a dupe for the Hourglass Mineral Veil, which I do have a sample of. You'll see that in my little sample section. And I really, really like this. This is what I use, what I'm trying to use up right now. So I'm currently a good way through this, but I really love this, and this will probably be one that I repurchase. I also have the Dr. Brandt Pore Filler, Pore No More. This is not cruelty-free, but it was gifted to me, and I flippin' love it. So I'm continuing to use it. However, because I'm not using foundations anymore, I don't find the need for pore filling. So this one's going to be pretty hard for me to get through. When I do get through this, though, I will be going to the NYX Pore Filler, which I like just as much. And then I have the full-size Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I do really like this. This is going to be great for me in the summertime because it does give you that luminous glow, and without using foundations, this will give me a nice summer glow. I'm very excited to get to this one. Right now, I've been mixing illuminating drops in with this to give me the same effect that this will, so I'm excited to use this one, though, soon. Then I have this. This is the Feel the Moment It Cosmetics Anti-Aging Primer. This is a serum primer, and I love the way this feels on my skin. This could also almost double as skincare. It feels gorgeous. And then I also kept the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. This is one that I don't use very often on my face, but this one is actually great for your thighs to prevent rubbing if you're wearing a skirt or something and you don't have like shorts on underneath or something. So this one I'm keeping for like body reasons as well, but it does work just as well on the face. So these are my 5 full-size face primers that I own right now. I have my computer off to the side here, so if you hear clicking, that is what I am doing. And as of January, I had 6 full-size primers, so I have gone down 1 full-size primer. Let me take these away, and I'll show you what we have for the sample primers. Here are all of my sample primers. Some of these are dang near empty, but these are all the samples that I have. So I do have the Milk Makeup Blurring Stick. I have not tried this yet, so this will be staying in my collection, and I will be trying this one out. I have the Cover FX Illuminating Primer, and I really do like this, so I'm excited to use this. I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and this came in a subscription service, and I do really like this, so I am keeping it to use it, even though this is not cruelty-free or has questionable cruelty-free. I don't know. You guys tell me. I feel like Smashbox is one of those that some people say is cruelty-free, other people say is not. I also have the Smashbox Primer Oil, as well as the Smashbox Under Eye Primer. So this one is specifically for the under eyes. I have not tried it yet, but I am looking forward to giving that one a shot. I have the Bliss Mad About Smoothing Primer. 2 of these benefit Porefessional. These are not cruelty-free. They came in subscription services. I will use these. And then the Pixie, this is the Flawless Beauty. This is the Illuminizing Primer. I really do like this, especially for summer. I have a Makeup Forever Step 1. This is, I don't know what primer this is. All of them are different colors. This is a smoothing primer and a Tarte Clean Slate Poreless Primer. This is the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer that I got from Sephora, a little sample. This one needs to be used up soon. So that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sample primers. So that is all of my face primers now at this point. Then we're going to move into foundations. I'm going to scooch these over to the side, out of the way, and move to foundation. This is a very, very easy category because I have 2. I have the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect. You can see up in the top here that I have used a good deal of this one. You can see the line where the foundation has come down to. So this is where I'm at on both of them. I have been using them. I have 1 and 5, which is drastic, but when I got really tan last summer, this is what I was using, and this is what like my normal is. This is the lightest, and even this oxidizes on me funny. They're the only two, with the exception of this sample from Marc Jacobs of the Shameless, which I will also count as one of my foundations. I don't think I love these. I will probably go ahead and trade both of these in for one, which will most likely be the IT Cosmetics CC Cream in light. They're very, very full coverage, and I just don't see myself wanting full coverage again anytime soon. If I keep anything, I might keep this because it does oxidize, but right now I'm going to count this as 3 foundations, which does bring me up 1 because last time I only had these 2, and then I acquired this one with a free code on one of my orders. This is a very small sample, and it is very dark. This is in medium, so this one's going to have to be a summer foundation for me, or lightened up with something else, because you can see it is pretty yellow and pretty dark for me. So move these off to the side, and we will go over concealers. I have the Boo Boo Cover Up. This one is in a color that I don't know, but this is just a little tube concealer. I use this sometimes for acne or even under my eyes. This one came in a sample box too, so I don't know very much about that company. And then I have my Catrice Camouflage Cream. This one is in Rosy Sand, and this is one that I'm trying to finish up this year. This is what I use under my eye instead of my Pixie Brightening Peach. I don't love this. It creases pretty bad on me, but it does have enough of a peachy color that it does color correct my dark circles, which is really nice. This one is still sealed, and I think I might actually gift this to my friend when she comes to visit, because I just can't imagine I'm going to get through it. This is the Balm Time Bomb Concealer, and this is in Lighter Than Light. This one is, and it's still like plastic sealed. I've never opened it. This is the Sonia Kashuk, which no longer makes makeup. She only makes brushes, so she has discontinued her actual cosmetics line and is only doing brushes now. This one is in 01 Porcelain, which I am not, so this one may go to my fair friend as well. I have tried this a couple times under my eye because it does have a little bit of a peachier tone. This pot is particularly difficult to get into. You definitely need a brush with this one. At this point, unless I declutter any of these, I have 3 pot concealers and 1 that I am dubbing a liquid. Last time I did my numbers, I had 5 concealers. I had 1 liquid and 4 pots. So now I'm at 1 liquid and 3 pots. I could be doing worse, especially because I'm working my way through this one. So hopefully this progress continues and I can move some of these out. Honestly, because these have seen so little use, I might be gifting one of these to my friend if one of them color matches her well enough. I actually would be interested in putting this into one of those trackers to see how old this is, even though it's never been opened. I'd be interested because I got this on Holt Look, so I think it's probably older to begin with. I hope you've enjoyed this installment of my makeup collection and seeing what I have. If you have and you're interested in seeing more and the rest of my collection, that is to come. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys.